The protection of global commons. Any resource that is shared by a community rather than owned by one are known as commons. At the world stage, there are some areas that fall outside the jurisdiction of any sovereign nation. They need common governance of the global community. These areas include the atmosphere of the Earth, world's ocean floors, outer space, and Antarctica. With much struggle, many agreements to protect the global commons has been reached. Some to them are Antarctic Treaty of 1959, the 1987 Montreal Protocol, and the 1991 Antarctic Environmental Protocol. But there are disparities in maintaining the global commons due to north-south inequalities, common but differentiated responsibilities. For the global north, the issue of environment conservation should be the equal responsibility for all the countries. But countries of the south blame the industrial development of the past century by the north for the current environmental scenario. Thus, they want to be treated specially in terms of considering their developmental needs, interpretation of international rules, and application of environmental laws on them. This was accepted as the common but differentiated responsibilities at the Rio Declaration of 1992. The acceptance of this principle led to the exemption of countries like India, China, and other developing nations from the requirements of Kyoto Protocol, an international agreement to reduce emissions that warms the earth. Common property resources. These are the common property of a group, members of which have rights and duties in utilizing, maintaining, and protecting the resources. For example, the sacred groves of South India. Such common properties are dwindling owing to population pressures, agricultural intensification, degradation of ecosystems, etc.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.